Ghana high life debut.
Daasebre your favorite.
On a high life, bro. Finding a way to make a rap song, both hip hop, hip life, and high life at the same time. I think was a genius production. So it was only right. I had to also go crazy on it. So that's Sika for you. As far as inspiration for the song Sika, no,
Yeah.
I think it came more from the producer than me.
Oh, okay.
So it wasn't a deliberate idea to sample. So this self no be sample, but I think the producer no had, as he started to play the beat, just got a little bit of inspiration from that side. And big shouts to 100 Ways.
Daasebre your favorite. Daasebre your favorite.
On a high life, bro. See, the Ghanaian high life. If you should find some DJ make it give you back-to-back high life playlist.
Oh yeah.
That's a one kasa regular day be. It's an okay man. Now show one side. Imagine a local zamane high life day on playlist be day on repeat. It dey be so true. As far as inspiration for the song Sikano,
yeah,
I think it came more from the producer than me.
Oh, okay.
So it wasn't a deliberate idea to sample. So this self no be sample, but I think the producer had, as he started to play the beat, just got a little bit of inspiration from that side. And big shouts to 100 Ways. Producer Nizini and Asumunia Fantinya. I think he be Taddy Boy, but from 100 Ways. Right. So 100 Ways, very, very, very creative production. Finding a way to make a rap song, both hip hop, hip life, and high life at the same time. I think was a genius production. So it was only right. I had to also go crazy on it. So that's Sika for you.
But then, I mean, did you seek some, I mean, Ghana is Ghana. Abandamana obiti be creative DNA. Or start to there, watch romance. You won't see eternity. And or friend and that man over you, war in some. Have you done anything to clear those stuffs? Because surely you will come. So,
yeah, as far as clearing and as far as copyright conversations, I think this is also a very great question. We have to educate on ourselves a lot more about what goes into a copyright conversation, right? Okay. So, if you are lucky, then the person who owns the original content can decide that, hey, ignore it. Yeah. So then you don't even have to worry. Yeah. But if you want to be on the safe side, I would say read, learn. Make sure you are always learning about some of these things, and it will help you understand better.
Sure.
Copyrights come in when you actually sample the person's creative material. We did not sample anything like that.
Okay.
We did not sample the project. So if we did not sample the project, then we don't have anything to clear. See, so if I go take Nana Buro Nenyum, that's a sample, baby. Namaza Kamanyo, Namaza change hook in somewhere. Nana Buro has every right to, put a copyright infringement on my thing. Yeah. But if I don't do that, let's say in the middle of singing something like, although you are my major, why am I a higher do, baby? Nana Buro cannot put copyright on the word a higher do, because a higher do is an Akan word that nobody owns that right to. So I didn't specifically take the intellectual property of the artist where they will say, okay, because of that, this is a copyright infringement. These are melodies that sound similar, is in that same line as that our legendary Daasebre's production. So it's not an actual sample. So in this case, clearing will not be needed.
All right.
And they say take chorus in just to add to this, say take chorus in Pama say Sika mi jump china mi bomu say manka kokoko.
I get it. I just needed to clear that side, because we know yenyim omana yetimin. So after Sika, which one?
Yeah, so after Sika, we are dropping Kuku. Kuku is releasing on the 13th of February, the day before your Vows Day. I know some people will have to have those conversations. I know some boys and some girls, especially some boys, will need the song to do some things on the 14th. So, Mr. 1J, make sure that I start one command prayer and sana. And
Yes,
after that too, Bang Bang is dropping. After that too, we are dropping Memories.
mm,
So what I am doing, if you don't want to stress yourself about the specific date, just know that TeePhlow is dropping every Thursday from now to the end of February. Every Thursday. So you started 30th. Last Thursday I drop. Next Thursday about drop. Next Thursday about drop. And me, I was born on a Thursday, so I'm hoping that it's a special blessing God will put for on a top.
Maso Krami
Into no
Yako,
Papa,
Maso
was a
Krami
Thursday
Yako.
born.
It's a double
Yeah,
blessing,
so
oh, yeah.
double blessing plus my boy Trigger. Now see a fryer. So anybody who, I think Kwame Ace is actually born on a Thursday too.
I
So big
say,
shouts to all my Thursday
the
borns out
boss.
there. This project
Yeah,
is for us specially. So the
nice.
resurrection is out there. First song, which is the resurrection itself, which we are talking about all the reflection, personal growth and stuff. And then this song is Sika, is telling you the hustle, the connect. This is a story we are telling. So eventually you see how it all connects with each other. But I would like to use this platform to say a big thank you to all my fans for having the patience and understanding for me during the times where, you know, my ups and downs, and still giving me arms wide open hugs as we come back with the resurrection.
Well, bro, them a great for working. What's when you're crank, Kokoko police station, I can sign a bond the day in Kobium, and then you'll be consistent. So I want you to assure them once again the CC Abanon consistency, you know, is going to be there, and they actually going to, you know, support you. Once why ready when you have consistency now. So I want you to echo that part, because when you want pa e me meet some common over street in pa should obi cry nyanka obaje visa keke na wa ba na wa ba kana adwena achew.
I would say again, I appreciate this platform because we need this to, you know, communicate, connect with the fans properly. As far as the consistency, I think one thing I've learned in the past is recently actually, most of the time we think the word consistency mean having a full glass every time. That is what I used to think. So the days my glass was half empty or half full, I wasn't showing up. I didn't want to bring the glass because I thought if you don't give them something full, it's not consistency. So these days, me coming to understand who there, whether you are feeling it that day or not, whether you are strong or not, just come, continue, keep going. And the fans are also urging me on, you know, I also want to promise you guys that we are here to stay, we are here to grow, and we are here to push our boundaries till we push Ghana through every part of the world that we can take it to. So God bless them, all of you once again. And I will also urge the fans, consistently stream the songs. You guys are always talking about the artists should be consistent with, but you should consistently stream the song. Say repeatedly motea. That is when the social media platforms also recommend it for other people to also come listen. That is how our numbers go grow. If we don't do that, the artist will do everything he can and on Kobibia. So I will urge all of us to collectively come together and consistently push this agenda. God bless you all.
True. And then Master Krame Sudibio what I'm side. And you see, in these days all your numbers game, you know, numbers inspire, motivate you. At least I as a name with maybe war support another they are following in warshare. It keeps you up, you know, on my Osho and more. So brother, you better was see brother one brand. I mean it to my and bear 1 hour be my it to me that come. And I feel like platform and and these are some of the things we should do. Here there but Ghana say BTM Ghana and America in a years in common. Yeah, and pepe today. Marble radio station Ghana. Bibia pepe. And I can even tell you that there's audio quality and image quality we are having or today TV we are anti Mama am funny there. When our artists are out of the country, and then because of that, you know, they lose touch with them. Nah, we can still get them on board. In here, TeePhlow there on Faka will go on Accra studio benye interview and I don't bring in some questions. Fitigana diko US so kwan wumpa but technology making possible. Into sakasa cry to my abansen and nanyomaze. We can't keep it on radio just because impane to kwan. No. Adasa.
Right.
Nti
And
yɛnkɔ
also
no yɛne
and
no
also Mr. Rich.
Yo.
Yeah, one last thing I go add to when it comes to the event, let's also champion that same agenda for the event.
I see.
Ghana man go fly, go Abrochi, go do show for there and book Ghanaian artists, make them come perform.
Yeah, man.
This same Ghana man should be able to do show for Ghana and say, with the book TeePhlow, make it come perform.
That's I say.
Or also come do show for here and say with the book TeePhlow, make it come perform for whichever state. So again, make we not shun when our artists who go there that side. And means if I not go put it on you guys, we will make sure you won't have any choice than to involve us. Watch this space.
Or necessary. Brother, yeah, that's super brave for your time and all that.